Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about skincare, my another DIY face pack from my own kitchen. This pack is really very interesting. You can see the glow in my face. I just applied nothing at all. I have applied a lipstick and some kajal. So without taking much of your time, let's get into the video and learn the pack. Before proceeding further, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Also, press the notification button so that you will be notified for my next videos.
The key ingredient for this mask is beetroot. I know many of you might not like to eat this versatile vegetable, but I think it won't be a problem for applying it on the face. Let us grate a small piece of beetroot. With the help of the strainer, let's strain the juice. In a clean bowl, let's take 2 teaspoons of rice flour and 2 teaspoons of fresh curd, some aloe vera gel. Mix everything well. Once everything is mixed properly, let's apply all over the face. This is just step number 1. We have to cleanse our face before applying any face mask. So gently just scrub your face very gently, at least for 2 minutes.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go.
Curd and rice flour are 2 magic ingredients which can be used on any skin type. Use this cleanser every day before taking bath and you will definitely notice the change in your skin tone. Let's wash off and dry. You will definitely find some freshness after this first step itself. After this cleanser, I could feel my skin is so fresh and clean. In the same mixture, let's add 1 teaspoon of besan or gram flour, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, half a teaspoon of curd and prepared beetroot juice. Mix everything well and apply all over the face and neck. Let me tell you some interesting facts about beetroot. Beetroot is a versatile vegetable. It is a blessing for the skin. It helps to fight acne, pimples and pigmentation. So if you apply this mask on regular basis, your skin's complexion will change. It will become brighter and healthier. At least once a week, you include beetroot in your diet. I know this vegetable is not everyone's favorite. I'll be very soon posting different innovative recipes so that you can include this versatile vegetable without worrying much about the taste. Let's keep this mask on the face at least for 10 to 15 minutes to dry. As a homemakers, we are so good at time management and multitasking. At the same time, we take care of ourselves too. We have lot of things in our pocket like cooking, cleaning, taking care of family, etc. The list never ends. Ours is not a 9 to 7 affair, but still we manage everything with a sweet smile on our face. I have utilized those 10 minutes of drying time in cleaning the mess in the bedroom.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어.
See, the mask got dried. Let's clean the face using a wet towel. Let's dry gently with a clean face towel. Very gently, don't rub your face at all. Now the next step and last step is applying some toner, whichever you use, or some rose water like me. Also, don't forget to apply a moisturizer, whichever you use regularly. Whenever we cleanse our face, we have to follow the other two steps like toning and moisturizing. This will always help to keep our skin healthy and moistured. If you want to feel the effect, you have to see yourself in the sunlight.
Hope you all liked my video. Let's catch up again with another interesting video. Until then, take good care of yourselves. Bye.